This is the track mode on the color HUD that Andrew has created. This is the blue one, so I know he has yellow, red, and oranges as well. This was installed today, and I think it looks really well. I'm going to turn the camera off and then switch the modes on it and give everybody a chance to see the different modes on this particular HUD. This is the street mode for the HUD in one particular view, and if I hit the page button, it changes up, and then I'll hit the page button again, and you get a different view on it. All in all, the HUD looks really nice, and as I mentioned before, I know that Andrew has these in red, blue, yellow, and orange as well. This is the door laser light that Andrew created, and Steve Doughton actually installed today. It looks really nice, and I think adds a lot of appeal to the vehicle. This is the rear Jake laser light, and it was installed today and looks really good. It's got a good, clear, crisp image, and this particular light actually shines while the vehicle is running down the street from the rear. This is the front view in front of the door that you'll see of the laser door light. All in all, it looks really nice. This is what the images look like with the from the rear of the vehicle, with both the driver's side door open and the rear Jake laser light image coming out from the back as well. Sorry for the bad videography, but it's not picking up very well here with as dark as it is. This is the Ambient cup light that was designed by Andrew, and some blue footwell lights that were installed today as well. This is the cup holder ambient light system by Andrew, and also the blue footwell lights that were installed today as well. All I can say is that Andrew created a really nice product, and Steve did a great job with all the installs today. I think it adds a lot of appeal to the interior of the vehicle. What I'm looking at now is the fender cove super bright LED blue lights that were installed today. The video camera's not picking up the image too well because the light coming out of it's too bright, but it'll give you an idea of what these lights actually look like coming out of the fender cove.